Well, there is we've got the significance of uh, when we are saying that we want to train our students in recognizing words and spelling while engaged in reading activities. So it has its significance for teaching reading. That's what you might be wondering, that why we are focusing on training our students in recognizing words and spelling. So that's what will see, and you'll come to learn what's its significance for teaching reading. Okay. So as you know, English language is one of the most unpredictable languages in terms of spelling and word recognition because of the silent words or right or free vowels or checked vowels. So of course it's governed by some rules, and some rules are fixed, and there are some spellings which are irregular. So of course poor spellers, they have problems in writing, and they try to avoid writing activities. And this is what our job is as being second language teachers, to help them train well or develop some strategies to become proficient spellers or word recognizers. So in this regard, it's important to uh, see spelling as an important or as an integral part of a reading program. When I mean, it's given equal attention in speaking, in writing, in reading, in listening. So we can bring in tasks across four stands. I mean, listening, reading, writing, and speaking, which which directly deal with spelling and word recognition. And uh, this can be done through continuous exposure or continuous input to the students, and that will help them gradually develop some understanding of word recognition and spelling and become fluent and productive readers. Um, One of the ways in this regard is to accept invented spelling. By invented, I mean when some students make errors in producing spellings. So we can be a bit open, and we can accept them instead of punishing or instead of correcting them, because that helps them become aware of some of the complexities involved in spelling, and that can help them uh, uh, go towards more accurate spelling schema. So of course there are several activities. So these activities include copying, reading, and then writing from memory, where we can engage our students to think aloud and think from their memory. And we can make the use of dictation in the classroom, or we can engage them in free writing. So spelling has got its um, significance for output, because this is when students are involved in learning spelling in reading and writing, they've got the output. So it's important for a second language teacher to give deliberate attention to spelling in the classroom and make the use of appropriate activities which give equal emphasis to spelling in across four strands of language learning, or in receptive and productive skills, for example, listening, reading, writing, and speaking.